Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Confirm your Arduino and LiDAR operate at the same logic level or use a level shifter. Connect ground first, then VCC and SDA/SCL or TX/RX depending on interface. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, open the Arduino IDE, install the vendor LiDAR library, and set the board and COM port. This is how you avoid common power and communication mistakes. Doing these first saves debugging time later and ensures reliable initial communication. Now you configure and test communication. Load the library example, then edit the I2C address or serial baud to match your sensor. In setup, initialize the sensor and print a simple health or version response so you know the bus works. Once you see valid responses, implement a loop that requests distance readings at a safe interval, convert raw values to meters or centimeters, and print timestamps. This confirms data integrity and lets you detect noisy readings or unexpected ranges early. Finish by integrating and calibrating. Apply a moving average or median filter to stabilize readings, then map distances to actions or displays in your project. Make sure to align and offset the sensor physically so measurements match real targets. Verify against measured distances at 2 known points. Once satisfied, encapsulate wiring and add error handling for timeouts. If things go wrong, first recheck power and ground, then wiring, address, or baud settings, and finally run the manufacturer's diagnostic example to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.